This is the unboxing of the 2026 Best of the Mint quarter ounce gold and silver medal. Hopefully. Trying not to knock the camera over. This is an amateur production, by the way, in case anybody couldn't figure that out. There's going to be a lot more tape on this one than sometimes things that come from the mint. Let's see what we got here. Whoop, still taped. Don't see any extraneous cards or anything along those lines. Here's the box. The box appears spotless. You get a nice booklet here. What didn't go into the box has gone into the booklet, evidently. Alright, that's not what we're here to see. First, coin. I'll need to go give it a better look once I'm done. I just want to chronicle this for whoever may be interested. I do like this silver medal, I have to say. Oops. She is pretty. Together is what we got.